Y'all, I know the top part of our country gets your fruits and veggies in later than we do down south, but I tell you what, the watermelons are coming in down here. The cantaloupe, we did a video at Davis the other day. The smell of those cantaloupes would knock you down. Now, you know when you can smell a cantaloupe like that, it's going to be the sweetest, most tasteful cantaloupe you can get your hands on. And I think it was Daniel. Oh, some boys, Michelle and Daniel was here last night and had supper with us. And 4 of the guys that they work with down at Moran on the docks pulled up in the boat and got out and visited with Michael. And they gave them a couple of watermelons. So I'm going to make watermelon salad. So what I'm actually making for y'all today is a watermelon salad. All right, so now I'm going to cut this in 2. And I'm not going to use the whole watermelon. So there we go. I'm going to stand this up and cut all the rind off. Have you ever made watermelon rind pickles, Teresa?
I have not.
I did. Gosh, years ago. It wasn't my favorite, but, it was good. It was like a sweet pickle.
Oh, yeah.
But that's back when I had my grandmama. And we used to do a lot of canning. Okay.
This is the hardest part of this salad, is doing the watermelon.
Oh, and see, I don't know why, but I enjoy it. Is that weird? Am I weird?
No.
Yes, I might be weird. All right, now we're going to go down like this and like this. So it depends on what you're going to do with the watermelon. If you're serving children, that's a great way to serve it.
I'll take it.
Eddie, would you like a slice of watermelon?
No, thanks.
So like I said, it depends on what you're using your watermelon for. These are kind of big chunks that I'm cutting them in, so you might need to use a little fork if you need to cut them. Yeah, oh my gosh. I did not know this was a different watermelon. Okay. It's going to be delicious. All right, now I've got an English cucumber, which, is supposed to be burpless. And I've just gone down my cucumber and cut strips out of it. So, it just makes it look real pretty. I don't know that I'm going to need all of that. We'll see. Yes, let's go ahead and do it all. Now, the herbs we're going to add to this is basil and fresh mint. And you'll want to just kind of chiffonade it the best you can. These are tiny basil leaves, so. And as far as how much to use, it depends on how much you like basil. So, suit yourself. Just roll it up kind of like you would a cigar. Y'all think that's about enough?
Mm-hmm.
You think so? Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with the fresh mint. And these leaves are even smaller than the Then the basil. Oh, but my goodness, do they smell strong. Is this from our yard?
Yeah, both.
Good. The basil's from my yard, and so is the mint. Good. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so strong smelling. Okay, I think that might be enough. So far it's very pretty, isn't it? So now I'm going to put a pinch of salt. I eat salt on all of my fruit, like oranges, apples, watermelon, cantaloupe, honeydew, because I just like salt. So I know I'm not supposed to like it, but I do. I do. All right, so we're going to just want to toss this so that everything gets mixed together. Distribute that salt in it. Get back up there. Did I lose one? Yeah. Listen to Lulu. Listen to her snoring.
She's got the right idea.
I'm telling you, she lives a hard life. So, isn't that pretty?
It is. Now, when do you usually add your feta? I know feta's not your favorite.
No, it's not, but I would like now. And then I think rather than putting the balsamic glaze over the whole thing, I may let people do that individually. What do you think, Teresa? You use a lot of this, so.
Well, we're not going to eat all of that.
No, we're not
right now. So
no,
I don't want to waste it.
No, I really don't. Just looks beautiful. And hopefully I used enough herbs. I'm going to put a little black pepper on it. When I was growing up and Mama would have scrambled eggs and cantaloupe and toast, for breakfast, she always salted and peppered our cantaloupe. Always. Okay. Can I get you a plate for some, Teresa?
Sure.
I wish you hadn't have told me that watermelon didn't come from Davis.
Well, I don't want those guys to watch it either.
I know it.
And
say, that's not the watermelon I gave them.
So I need to be honest.
Yes. All right, so you just want to drizzle. Is that enough for you, the balsamic?
Yeah, balsamic is the glazes are very strong.
Yes.
You can always add more.
That's right.
Can't
take it away. Okie dokie. Bon appetit. Bon appetit, y'all. I'll probably need to add some more salt to mine. That mint just slaps you. Just for me. Really is delicious. So y'all take advantage of your summer fruit and vegetable stands, because I'm telling you, they got the goods. Love and best dishes, y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.